Hello, everyone.
Today I will guide everyone how to download the Roblox application on a PC or laptop, so everyone can play games in the Roblox application. Now I will start guiding everyone. First, everyone will open a browser on their computer. Next, everyone will go to this website for me. The link to the website will be in the comments section of the video below. When everyone clicks on the link, it will open this page. Next, everyone will select the Download Windows app option for me, so we can download Roblox on the PC. Then, everyone will left-click here to proceed with the installation. In case everyone can't see the Roblox installer here, it will be in the Downloads folder. Now we have successfully downloaded the Roblox application on the computer. Now everyone can log into their Roblox account or create a new account to play. Now we can play all the games on the Roblox application. That's how I've finished guiding everyone how to download Roblox on a PC or laptop. If everyone finds the video helpful, give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Hi and see you.